everybody, my name's Emily. This is the Breezy channel, and my hair feels so good right now. Like, I was using like Dove shampoo and L'Oreal shampoo for a little bit, but like I went back to my Way shampoo and like my Way shampoo, medium hair shampoo, and the mask, the medium hair mask, like it's so, oh my god, it feels so silky. Like, I missed that. We are doing an Ulta haul. It's a very small Ulta haul and her fantasy box. I'm putting the two together because they're both like beauty related, health related, and things like that. I did do a short video on these things, so like if you saw it, it's not going to be a surprise what I got because I showed it on the shorts. I've been getting lots of traction on my shorts videos, but I really like to take it back home because I really like to film like a classic YouTube video where like you can take time, hear me talk, just kind of like exchange energy. You could watch it in the bath, you could watch it in the background. That's the kind of thing I like. I like a long YouTube video from like some of my favorite people and then take a bath and like have that on while I'm bathing. That's just me. I like long YouTube videos because I don't sit there and like watch them. But anyways, yeah, I understand the whole shorts thing. Like people just want to, they just want to know about the products, the hauls, etc. Okay, anyways, by the way, I'm doing a pretty big Shein haul really soon. So I ordered some things a couple nights ago. So I'm really excited about that. You guys love my try-on videos. Okay, I just saw orb. Anyways, so this is going to be a Ulta haul, really small, just a few things. There's literally like 4 things in this Ulta haul, and then the next part of the video is going to be her fantasy box, which I heard from Cardi B, like she was talking about these things and said they're amazing, so I started buying her fantasy box. This is my second order from her fantasy box. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the Ulta. Let's go ahead and take a picture. I like taking pictures like that. I don't know why. Okay. And then, okay, let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I got this Mediheal Watermide Moisture Pads. I've already tried it. I like it. I have to experiment more with it. I'm not really like familiar with the Mediheal pads. I have the PDRN one as well in my bathroom. This one's a lot thinner. Like the pad is a lot thinner. So it looks like this. It's like a little box. Oh, it scared me. Oh, I opened the whole thing. Okay, so it has a spatula. The spatula on this one is weird because it's like hard to like function. But anyways, I just used my fingers. Obviously I was like out of the bath and clean and everything, so my hands were clean. But this one was all scooped around for some reason. My other one, they were all nice and neatly arranged. But it doesn't impact the integrity of the product or anything like that. But it looks like this. They're like really thin. And what you do is you like put them on and you just like let them sit on your face. Like you can put like 3. What I did was kind of like toned, like I kind of like rubbed it on my face and then let it sit, which I'm probably not gonna do. I don't know. I gotta figure out how I like using this because like if I do it that way, it feels dry when I just let it sit. Okay, I'm not making any sense. Let me skip. Forget what I'm saying. Okay, anyways, I like them. I only use it one time, so I'm still experimenting with them. I'm not a fan of the spatula on this one. It's just kind of like, I don't know, it's just kind of like not helpful. I could use chopsticks. I could go get some chopsticks. And okay, anyways, whatever. I got one of my favorite moisturizers. It's like I use this at nighttime. Typically, I did put it on my face like before makeup and it's okay for that, but I like putting it on at nighttime before going to bed. So this is D'Alba Pigment Vita Toning Capsule Cream. You guys, I freaking love this capsule cream. I feel like when I use this like avidly and like I go to work, people compliment me on my skin a lot, how bright it is. So let me show you. Okay, my legs are really short, y'all. Okay, this, oh, my belly. Okay, we're working on it, don't worry. This is my old one. So this is the old capsule cream. It has white truffle in it, so it's like very like luxurious. So this looks kind of janky, but it has those little golden capsules in it. It smells like citrus. And like, I freaking love the way my skin looks when I use this like consistently. It's a Korean brand and it's just really cute, and I highly recommend Dialba. I used their first spray serum. I just bought the double cream thing with the 2 sides. I have not gotten into it yet, but it's just kind of sitting there on my shelf. But I'm gonna use it soon. But I got another one of these because I really like it. I got this Kitsch, I don't know how you pronounce this, Kitsch, Velvet extra large flexi rods. So I don't put heat on my hair typically. It's very rare that I use heat to like curl my hair or dry my hair. Like, I just like, can we normalize like normal hair? Like, why do we have to style our hair every day? That's just me. But unless you do something like this, that's no heat. So I like these because they're velvet. The ones that I have are satin and they're really cheap. So like, I want to get like a nice heatless curler. So they look like this, and the velvet is going to grip the hair more. So it's going to be more defined. So like, when I wake up the next morning and I take them out, it's going to be really curly, and then I can kind of like brush my hands through it a little bit to like loosen the waves and curls. This is really cute, and I love the colors. Like, I love good neutral colors, really cute. So I can't wait to use this. I might use this tonight, so that's really exciting. And then the thing that started the whole Ulta haul, my good friend Camille, she told me about first access on ulta.com on the app. So like, first access is when like there's a product that's new that's available only for 24 hours, and you have to get it on the app. I think it was on the app if I'm not mistaken, but it's this, and this, they don't sell this right now because it was first access, so it's like limited quantities and things like that. But she got this, and I was like, I need that too. This is the Ellis Brooklyn Miss Strawberry body splash. We used to call it body splash back in the 90s. Like, I don't know what, yeah. Perfume mist. It's called perfume mist. So this, it has a little, like, it's cute. I'm filming. So it says playful, pretty, and poetic. The notes are strawberry nectar, matcha tea, and hinoki wood. Like, this smells so good. Like, oh my god. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's very matcha, like in the best way. It's really good. I like it, and I'm so glad I got it. Like, this is so cute. I love body sprays and perfume and things like that, and like trying new scents out. So yeah, it smells really good. Wait, I know my E necklace is backwards because I put it on a certain way, and like, it's just backwards. So anyways, okay, let's get into her fantasy box. This comes really discreetly in the mail. It's not like loud packaging or anything like that. It's just like a regular cardboard box without a logo. But I got some things that I just used some of them. So I did an unboxing short video, and like I talked about the products and like why I got them and stuff like that. But I actually used some of these today, so it's kind of like a first impressions video. So I got the Her Fantasy Box Yummy shower gel. I love it's actually called the Body Splash. It's like a body oil, and you guys, if you've been watching me avidly like a long time, I always say that I have a habit of skipping lotion because I'm not in love with the feel of lotion. I like oil on my body. So yeah, it's just like, it's more shiny, and it's not cold when I put it on and things like that. So yeah, I really like the body oil, and it smells so good, you guys. Isn't the Yummy scent? It's like a cherry orange, juicy, just like, oh, it smells so good. Like, oh my god, it smells like cherry Tootsie Pops, and that's my favorite. Like, that's probably one of my favorite candies, like top 3 is a cherry Tootsie Pop. I love Tootsie Pops. But yeah, I use this today, and I feel really fresh. I can't really smell it on my skin, but that's what the body oil is for. I didn't put the body oil yet because I am going to do laser hair removal today, or hair, session. Anyways, so yeah, it's a full body cleansing gel. So yeah. And then I got these two, so I got 3 of these. This is called the Renew Her Rejuvenating Oil. Brightens skin look, moisturizes intimate skin, and helps improve skin texture. And this has like a minty kind of like citrus scent. You guys, all the scents that they have are very like luxury smelling. They don't smell bad. Like, if I were to hear about like a citrus scent like on a video, I'd be like, I don't that doesn't sound very good to me, but you guys, it's good. They're legit. Like, they do a really good job with all their products. And again, I heard from Cardi B about her fantasy box. That's why I started using it. So she's so gorgeous. Like, she's just, yeah. But anyways, the Renew Her Rejuvenating Body Oil. So this is supposed to brighten like your intimate areas and things like that. And then this, if you put them in conjunction with each other, it actually works like better. So this is the Vita C Bright body wash. It's a vitamin C and turmeric body wash, and I read reviews and someone said they put these two together and they got really nice results. So if you want to, you know, lighten up in some areas, then I got the 2 extras. You guys, the body splashes, the body oils smell so good. So I'm obsessed with Yummy. I got 2 of them and I'm going through it. Like, I probably need to be on some kind of subscription for them. But anyways, it's cheaper if you get subscribed. Anyways, I got 2 more. Like, I want to try the other scents. So this one is the Body Splash Hydrating Body Oil in the Pineapple Cream. Oh wait, I opened it already. Hold on. This one's very sweet. Like, this one is like, this is very sweet. It's, I don't know, I feel like an up smell. Like, it's very up. Like, I don't know if you know what that means. I don't even know what I'm saying, but it smells really good. So Pineapple Cream, I approve. Yummy's still my favorite, even after both of these, smelling both of these. But this one's more gourmand, so I usually get the fruity ones, like the Yummy and the Pineapple Cream. But this one, because like for summer, right? This one is the Caramel Glaze. So I was like, let me go this way and like try something completely different from those. And this is the Caramel Glaze. Caramel Glaze. Oh my god. It smells so good. I don't feel like putting this one on right now. I'm in the fruity mood. Like, I love fruity things. So I'm probably going to put on some Yummy oil after I do my laser. But anyways, that was my haul. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, definitely give me a like. Give me a like. It would make me so happy. And if you subscribe to my channel, it would just warm my heart so much. If you left me a comment, anything, send me some love. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody. Mwah.